everybody, it's your favorite Nairobi City girl, and you're coming with me to find me a fridge to fit my needs, to serve my needs, and to have me satisfied. By the end of the video, you'll have a good idea of where to buy a fridge in great condition and that can last you for a while. So let's begin. October 14th, 2020, day 1 of fridge hunting. Now I went with very limited requirements for what I would want in a fridge. The new fridge needed to be bigger than the older fridge, but be able to fit in the space where the older fridge was. Aesthetics are everything sometimes, so I also wanted like a cute, beautiful fridge. So on that evening, I found myself at the Hot Point store in Village Market, and there was a really nice lady there, and we looked at fridges together. Of course, she worked there. She became my compass, because now I finally had sort of a clear direction, because she explained to me things like the energy consumption when it comes to fridges, which I don't know why I didn't think of it before. I mean, electric bill, you need it to come down a bit, so you want something that doesn't devour electricity like crazy. She empowered me with knowledge and my ego got boosted. I started feeling like on top of the world, and that's a really good trick as a salesperson. Yeah, just make your clients feel special. The lady also taught me to look at the specs inside the fridge, on the side of the fridge, to get an idea of how wide, how tall, how much capacity the fridge holds. Just things like that helped me filter out from other fridges. Energy consumption, that really helped narrow down, because when I first walked in there, every fridge was perfect. Well, except maybe if I felt the only thing that would filter out is maybe if it wasn't cute enough for my eyes, or if it was too big, bulky. But generally, yeah, I had not so much of an idea what I was doing in the beginning. So yeah, thanks for the guidance. She's a really great salesperson, and it just really breaks my heart that I ended up not buying a fridge from her, though we kept on looking at LG fridges because that's what I really wanted. I'm kind of hooked on LG now because I already have one of their other appliances and it really works great for me. So yeah, I mean, I still ended up buying, no spoilers, about 59. Is that inches?
No, centimeters.
Okay. Canyon Blossom! Woo! Fast forward to November 12th, I'm at Hot Point Surrey Center showroom. Hot Point Surrey Center. So I've already measured the space that I have available for a new fridge, so I have an idea of the width size of the fridge that I am to get. I'm a little down due to other things happening in my life, so my mind is not 100% there. I'm not concentrated. I have not much motivation. However, I just looked at some fridges. Some guy came and explained things to me. We were just looking at fridges. I just don't understand what is the difference, but maybe they can tell me. I'm really confused.
Just come.
Yeah.
At least it can help me because there is some other things that I'm not confident at.
Yeah. Are you new here?
Yeah, I just work here.
Yeah.
And then I'm not a salesperson.
You're an intern?
Sorry?
Are you an intern?
No, I mostly do stock taking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there's some other things that I'm not so sure about them. That's why I need to ask before maybe I show them the customer about the way they just work also.
Okay, that's nice. I appreciate that. So then there's this other one. They have the same capacity, 231. Except this one is cheaper. This one is 3,000 more. Mostly similar design. Both Samsung.
I see.
Movable ice.
I think they make rice maker, the tempered grass is kind of different from that one.
How? Let me see.
This one I kind of think maybe strong, very delicious. You can maybe try them.
And I can return it if it doesn't fit in that space.
Yeah.
Okay. That at least that puts me at ease. I think same.
You said it's 55.
Yeah, it's 53.6 or something. Yeah. And
It's kind of.
now we get to the good stuff, the LGs. But I don't have to decide alone. That's a good thing. Else I'll just not know what to do.
Oh, it's fine.
I would pick according to looks. And that's not always practical. So that's the tray.
Yeah, the ice tray. Just a minute, please.
Oh my god, do you see this fridge? Oh my god. Because I feel like the other one, the ice tray, kind of limits. I mean, the ice maker kind of limits the. Yeah, that. This chick is wild. Anyway, I was talking about the Samsung that we just saw earlier. But at least they told me I can return if it doesn't fit in the space that I asked. Personally, I feel like the egg tray is kind of a waste of space because I don't really put eggs in the fridge. Do you? I don't think this is wasted space at the bottom there, but I guess it's accounting for the vegetables on. Okay, maybe that trip to Sarit Center Hot Point was not exactly pointless because pointless because I did get a fridge, this GN B2 LG whatever, 272 liters silver, because it's beautiful, it's silver, and it was costing 63,995 shillings. Okay, thing is, they only had the one on display. Turns out this fridge is like hotcake. It was getting like hotcake, or maybe it just came super late when it had already been bought out. Next day, I think, after that, I ended up calling the Hot Point store or just contacting them online, whatever. I spoke to someone on phone and they hooked me up with this fridge. However, things did end up going as planned because the next day the same lady who helped me, she was so helpful, she hooked me up. I just really like that lady. I don't know why I forgot her name. Anyway, the same lady who hooked me up, she called me and she told me that the fridge and it was the last one they had available wasn't in good condition to deliver to me, and she told me she wouldn't recommend me to get the one on display. So just like that, I thought, oh my god, I guess I'll just have to go out and start looking for a fridge again because this is all out. I can't get it. Before completely giving up, I ended up looking at LG.com to see if they had this fridge. Turns out I spoke to someone and turns out their fridge was a little bit higher. They said it had been on offer earlier. It was even at like 61K. But oh my god, at this point it was like 65, I think. And that was on offer. And the guy told me by Monday the price would have gone up to like 68 or 16. I can't remember. Anyway, yeah. I was bored and I thought, wow, well, that's gone. However, a very clever friend came through for me and they found for me this same fridge for much cheaper than even Hotpoint and LG, like at freaking 58K. OpalNet was selling it at like 58K. OpalNet in Kenrell Towers. And I thought this was too good to be true, but I still went and saw on Monday, so here you go. Monday, November 15th, 2020. Off to Kenrell Towers to buy me a fridge. Hopefully I get it. The fridge that's on offer. So yeah, let's see. Outfit of the day. When I first got in, I was a little bit distracted by other things, though I went back to the business that brought me here. So okay, the pricing that they had in the store on the fridge was much different from what they had on their website. I think OpalNet. So on their website, the fridge was going for 58,995. Okay, see, that went down just like that. A blessing in disguise. And when I went to buy on Monday, that's the 15th of November 2020, the guy told me they had 50 of them still in stock. So, oh my god, yes, everywhere else had sold out except OpalNet. And I thought this is too good to be true. Anyway, after you pay, you get this document to fill in just a few details here and there, the warranty card. And done. Fridge was paid for. Now all I needed to do was wait till tomorrow for them to deliver it. I decided to go and celebrate with mocktails. So this is a mocktail. I just have no idea what they called it. Let me try it. This mocktail is called Disai, Disai, Disai Glass. Just go order it for yourself. They say it's popular. I'm picky and even to me it was delicious. So pretty. It's so pretty, especially with few people, because I get to appreciate it and look around. It can be distracting when people are there. That's mine. Thank you. Then I ended up getting myself the tres leches. It was 700 shillings, so it's vanilla sponge cake with skimmed milk. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is Mercado Mexican Kitchen and Bar at Kenrell Towers, the South Wing. When you get in the elevator, go to the T floor, terrace T floor, okay? Oh, the Desai glass was 500 shillings. I ended up getting a second one to go for my sister, so I spent 1,000 shillings on the mocktails. Then I decided to get the Macado churros, which were $6.50. Everything totaled to $18.50. Let me tell you, my jaw dropped. So a couple of drinks, like 2 drinks, some churros and a cake cost me almost 2,000 shillings at around $20 or more. My God, Jesus Christ. Anyway, this I was celebrating, so it's fine. But I bit my tongue. Oh my God, I bit the inside of my cheek. This was crazy. Woo! The experience with this place is the entire time they play like Spanish music. Oh my God! And they have skulls like all over the place. You look over here, you see a skull. You look over there, you see a skull. It's pretty interesting. I like it. I really do. I'm gonna take people there. Hey, so it's the day of the fridge delivery, but first we're gonna take the kitten to the vet because I suspect the new kitten has fleas. I hope not. It's driving me insane. I'm getting mental. So yeah, let's go to the vet. About the kitten, it's a long story which will be explained in another vlog, but here I wanted to light the candle, but I couldn't find the matchstick, so... Anyway, the fridge arrived. There it is. Beautiful. The man unpacking it. No, I didn't mean the man unpacking it are beautiful. I meant the fridge is beautiful. There it is. There. Welcome home, my child. Mama loves you. May you be blessed forever and ever. All of your days to come. May you function well and be blessed and be safe and serve me well because that's why I bought you. The victory dance. Woo, woo, woo. Hey there. Guess who got her fridge? Me. So the fridge is here and they told me to wait 6 hours before I turn it on. Oh, that feels like such a long wait. I was kind of disappointed, but there's a reason, right? There's a reason. I could Google it. Anyway, I don't know the reason, okay. Anyway, so yeah, I have to wait 6 hours, but the fridge is here, so... Woo! Oh, yeah. If you like this video, like it, share it, so that someone else can also like it and enjoy it. Oh, and then subscribe. You should. If you like the videos that I post on here, if you've been watching my videos, or if you really like this one and it helped you, just, yeah, I don't know, subscribe, help my channel a bit. Okay? I think it's time for me to finally show you the inside of this marvelous fridge. There we go, that's a freezer section. How cute is that? And then you have extra space on the door. Now that got me sold. Okay, let me just fix that. Kenya. So, and then the bottom part. So, that's how it looks inside. Fridge tour! Okay, so I trip on my own words. That's just a thing I do. Extra storage here on the fridge door. That's how it looks. How cute. How cute is that? How cute is that? How cute is that? That's it. That's the thing. That's it. Close there. Hey, get out. Get out. You like it? Oh, I do too. Come on. Come on. Okay. Wings. Oh, yeah. Delicious wings that my car is trying to get to. Stop it. Delicious wings. Hey. Decided to sit and eat with my new fridge, and then this happened.